is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valtronic Designs. Behind me, we got some V12 Fury coming at you. This is a Ferrari F12, and it's got our full F12 and Ferrari A12 race F1 exhaust pack. It's got free flow downpipes. It's got our large cross-section titanium X-pipe, and it has our titanium valved rear section. This is the ultimate Ferrari experience. It is unparalleled. The free flow gives you the volume, the X-pipe gives you that razor sharp F1 sound, and the rear section gives you that flexibility. I'm gonna stop talking because all you guys wanna hear is the ultimate V12 sound experience. Let's get after it. The Valtronic system, we're getting started. We're getting the car warmed up. I'm in second gear. I've got the valves closed. It sounds like it's bone stock in here, which is really nice. It is bassy and aggressive, but this is a Ferrari F12, and you come to expect that, especially with this massive V12. The muffler casings in full titanium are designed to give lots of flexibility. This is a GT car at the end of the day, and if we're gonna put out an exhaust system, it's gonna be the ultimate experience. It's gonna be an uncompromised system. So with the valves closed right now, normal, not crazy loud. You can start the car in your neighborhood and not have everyone hate your guts. No unwanted frequencies in here with the valves closed. It's really, really nice and docile. So we're gonna let the car warm up as we go for a little drive here and showcase all this car's incredible sound characteristics. But 2,000 RPM, 6 gear, 45 miles an hour. Car sounds like it's bone stock. You get a little bit of nice overrun with the valves closed, but I'll open it up right now. You get a little bit more bass, a little bit more aggression in here at low RPMs, but the system has been well engineered and designed with that F1 race X-pipe to still keep the sound as enjoyable outside. Inside here, it's not overbearing, it's not over booming. This is the perfect sound experience for your V12 Ferrari. Our first sound with some buildings around.